day and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a professional landing page for a CPA leads. So the first thing you have to do is sign up on Linktree. So I'll be dropping the link in my description below. So the first thing you have to do is sign up on Linktree, make use of your Gmail. So I'll make use of my Gmail. So you have to create a username for your Linktree accounts. The first thing I can just make use of your using my case. So click on create accounts. So make sure you enter your password. Then click on continue. So as you can see, it says tell us your name. You just make use of your name and click on continue. So you can just choose what your category belongs to you. So I choose business. So anyone, you can just choose anyone like that fits what you are trying to create. Then you come down here and click on the business category. But also, although it is optional, so it's not necessary for you to choose. So I can just ignore this or just click on it just because I'm not into marketing and advertising. So you click on continue. So as you can see, it says find the plan for you. Although we will make use of our free plan. So we are making use of. So then we have the power to start. So choose their pro. You can make use of their pro for free.